Inacio Fernandes. Let's focus a little on your Konkani Bible app. Can you tell us what a Bible app is, what it does, why Konkani Bible app?
Today, in this fast-moving world, we have everything on our phones, and we like to access uh, almost each and every utility on our phones. And why not the Bible?
The whole Bible.
Yeah,
The whole Bible.
For a start, we have started with only the Gospels.
Okay.
Yeah, and slowly we'll come with the New Testament and the Old Testament
In text format.
in text and audio.
Audio.
Yes. Now, given the fact many of our Goans know to speak Konkani, but not all of them know to read Konkani.
Yeah.
So this is a help for those people.
Okay.
They can listen to the
Okay.
word of God.
Okay.
And some people who want to learn Konkani can also
use
read
it
and
as a
listen.
language learning tool.
Yes. Apart from that, there are beautiful Konkani prayers that we used to pray when we were young. And
I see.
slowly, with the in an attempt to promote English, we have forgotten about those, and we started praying in English only. Or worst, we have stopped praying at all. So we are trying to revive those Konkani prayers, and the app, the SOAP app, also provides you to learn all those old Konkani prayers like Dev Bari Raat.
Dev Bari Raat is a good night in the form of a prayer.
Yeah, Dev Bari Raat is a night prayer.
Okay.
That used to be prayed after the rosary. Yes. Other thing the app does is it mimics the church bell. So the church bells ring at 12 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the evening.
The old church bell, not the modern ones.
Yeah. So our app provides you that. So it will tell you it's time for your Angelus, time for your rosary.
I see.
Yeah. So
it will automatically tell you. It's set to tell you.
Yes. So it will ring the bell for you.
Okay.
So that's people are loving that feature because it gets all those old memories back.
What's the response like?
The response has been really good. People are loving it, and we have active users who are coming for the daily reflections. Like we every 15 days we have a priest who is coming and giving us a 2-minute reflection on the day's gospel.
I see.
So people are liking that. People today, you do not have the time to read the Bible or to read the day's reading. And what you can do is, while you're traveling in your car, plug it to your aux, listen to the day's gospel, listen to the 2-minute reflection, not more than 2 minutes.
I see.
Below 2 minutes. And that's enough for your spiritual growth, rather.
Audiences from abroad?
Audiences, we have audiences from as far as from London to Gulf, even from New Zealand, Australia.
I see.
And Goa and India, obviously.
I see. What's the name of the app? How do you get it?
SOBD.
The word.
The word. Yes. The John chapter 1 verse 1. Orombak Sob Daslo.
At the beginning was the word.
So we take that Orombak Sob Daslo. That Sob we are keeping as the title. You can go on Play Store, search for SOBD, Soap. The very first app that comes, Soap by Creator Solutions.
Any difficulties in putting this together? How long? How much work?
It took a lot of effort in the beginning, as given the fact like we were also a startup and Soap was our very first app, and it did take time for us to curate the whole the audio
content.
It's
read by whom?
It's read by as of now it is read by 4 people.
Okay.
One is a Pilar priest, Father Matthew, who read the Gospel of Matthew. The Gospel of Mark.
That's a coincidence.
Yeah. Gospel of Mark is read by Scarlett Fernandes. Gospel of Luke is read by me. The Gospel of John is read by Vienna Serra.
Lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work. And
is it commercializable or is it a labor of love?
It can be commercializable. We have ad spaces on the app, so local businesses can advertise at as low as 100 rupees a day.
I see.
And that's our revenue stream rather. So that helps us to sustain the app. Apart from local businesses, people who want to put up personal advertisements are also welcome. So if you have a prayer request and you want the audience to pray for you, you can lay a prayer request on the app free of cost.
Very interesting. Any other initiatives on in the app space, in the software space, as far as the Konkani Bible goes?
As such, we will be adding.
No, I'm saying anyone else has done this work, or
Yeah, there are apps that are in the Mangalorean accent.
Okay.
Okay. The Mangalorean
dialect,
not dialect.
script,
Kannada script. But nothing in Romi Konkani as of
Okay,
now.
okay.
So-
Websites?
Websites, I feel Mangalorean counterparts are far ahead. Than
That's true.
the Romi-
They are
Romi,
ahead. No
that's
doubt, no doubt.
Yes, as far as the Konkani script goes, or the Romi Konkani script goes, we are
The
the
first.
first. And
first.
in the audio space,
Wow.
definitely first.
Wow. Congratulations, all the
Yeah.
best. Looking forward to many initiatives.
Yeah,
I
thank
think you have the years in front of you to do a lot, to prove a lot, but already you all have done it. Thank you.
Thank you very
All
much.
the best.